She saw something she wants. Did it, Gabby? This is good. You're gonna like this. I'm gonna give you this one. This is perfect. Oh my God. See, when you're like this, Gabby, you make me want to have another one. When you're like yesterday, you make me want to just go and get a hysterectomy.
What's she doing?
She was trying to get something. She was going after one thing, and then she got sidetracked. Gabby Lou. Gabby Lou. Hi, Gabby. Hi, my baby. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. I just love my baby. Come here, Gabby. Come here, my pretty girl. Come on, crawl for Daddy. Come on. Come here. Yeah, you can see my ring. She likes playing with my ring. And so Mommy, see? And she's going towards the computer stuff. Say bye, Gabby. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye, Mama.